In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export customer statement on Odoo. We'll go through the process in a simple, practical way so you can follow along inside your own Odoo account without getting lost. If you're trying to download customer-related statement data for reporting, review, or sharing purposes, this workflow is quick and straightforward once you know where to click. To begin, go to the home screen in Odoo. This is your main starting point where all of your installed apps are displayed. If you're already somewhere else in the system, just return to the main dashboard so you can navigate from a clean starting point. From the home screen, click on Accounting. This will take you into the accounting area of Odoo, where you can access customer records, financial activity, and export-related tools. Since customer statements are tied to accounting information, this is the correct module to use. Once you're inside Accounting, click on Customers. This opens the Customer section and helps you move closer to the records you want to work with. Depending on your layout, you may see a menu item or tab for customers in the accounting navigation. After that, click on Customers again. In this part of Odoo, the first click usually brings you into the broader customer area, and the second click opens the actual customer list view. That list is important because exports are typically launched from there, especially when you want to work with customer data in bulk or generate a file for external use. Now that you're on the customer list page, look for the action or settings icon and click it. This menu is where Odoo places additional options for the current view, including tools for exporting data. If you don't immediately notice it, take a moment to scan the top area of the page, because this control is often small but very useful. From the menu that appears, click Export. This opens the export function, which allows you to extract the customer-related information from Odoo into a file you can use outside the system, such as for analysis or record keeping. And that's it. You've successfully reached the export option for customer statements in Odoo. As a helpful tip, before exporting, make sure you're in the correct customer view and that any filters you need are already applied, so the exported file contains exactly the information you want. If this walkthrough helped, you can repeat the same navigation anytime you need to export customer data from Odoo.